this is actually something kind of interesting, something we don't really have around here. First tip off is that indicator. Almost looks like a Lakeland Larson back in Chicago, but no, it's a Schumacher. That's pretty neat. Don't have those in Colorado very often. Going down to pee. Wow, that was fast. Global studies, but rainbow. Now let's get at this side. Nice little picture there with the Schumacher logo and the indicator. This thing's fast. All right, we'll take one more ride. And then on two. You know, this is actually a decently nice elevator. Also, elevator 3. Okay, this place has more elevators, clearly. This thing's fast as hell. Big grap.